In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add canonical tag in Yoast SEO. To do that, first head over to yoast.com and you should be able to get a free version of their application through their site. Just click on this download free version in order to utilize them. You can also explore their Yoast SEO premium plans by clicking on this option right here. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to click on login. But if you haven't one yet, you can just explore them first and then sign up for an account directly right there. Now you can use Yoast using your actual WordPress. Onto your WordPress site, head over to the plugin, and then from there, you can already see that we have its premium plugins, which is the Yoast SEO Premium. So it requires a plan upgrade, and also it requires around $10 of subscription for the monthly subscription right there. So head over and then install it. Next, you can head over to the pages or posts if you want to add a canonical tag. For example, let's choose the post option right here and we have in here our posts. Next, click on to this edit option and you can see right here the options for this particular post that we have on this case. So when you scroll on further right here on your right sidebar, you can see the options for tags as well as use SEO if you have it enabled. So it should be able to look like this. You can have it right here on the advanced tab. You can see you can allow search engine to show help article. You can show follow links. And when you scroll down further, you can see the canonical URL. So from there, just enter the URL that you want. For example, here we have this and then save update the page by saving it, updating it, and publishing it once you're done with this particular case. More tips is you can make sure that your canonical URL is correct and it tells search engines which version of the page to prioritize according to your actual canonical tag. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you